Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Vero coming to you today with our story, An Apple's Life. Life cycles. All living things have a life cycle. An apple has a life cycle. Inside an apple, there are seeds. The seeds will grow into new apple trees. The new apple trees will grow apples, and the life cycle starts again. Seeds and shoots. An apple seed grows in the ground. Roots grow down from the seed into the ground. A shoot grows up from the seed. Leaves grow from the shoot. Becoming a tree. The young tree needs water and sunlight to grow. The young tree grows bigger. The tree grows new leaves in the spring. The tree grows flowers in the spring. Making apples. A bee comes to feed on a flower. The bee has pollen on it. The pollen helps make a new apple seed grow on the tree. Then an apple starts to grow. When the apples have grown, some fall from the tree. An apple has a seed inside it. The life cycle starts again. Here is the life cycle of an apple tree. Starts with a seed, goes to the shoot, comes to the flower, and then we have apples. I'm going to share my screen with you, and we are going to go over the sequence of the story, the order that the story went into. Here is my numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here are pictures from our story. We're going to do the order of the life cycle of an apple. So the first thing that starts in the life cycle of an apple is the seed. So I'm going to move the seed into number 1. That seed produces a shoot. And that shoot is called a seedling. The seedling grows a bud or some flowers that helps the tree grow. We then have a large growing tree. That tree makes some blossoms or flowers on the tree. And lastly, it makes the apples. When the apples fall to the ground, the animals come in from the forest and eat the apples, but they spit out the seeds, which go into the ground and start the life cycle all over again. Remember, a life cycle is something that happens again and again and again, just like the wheel of a tire. Goes around and around. The same thing with a life cycle. I hope you guys enjoyed our story. Work really hard on your life cycles in our story map.